Okay, the foldable iPhone is delayed. At least that's what everyone's been saying. But what if that's just completely wrong? A new rumor just dropped countering the delay rumor. And honestly, it's more credible than you'd think. Let's break it all down. So here's where we stand right now. The iPhone 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max, those are confirmed for September. No drama there. But the iPhone Ultra, Apple's first ever foldable, has been the wild card. Recent reports were saying Apple hit some serious technical walls and would have to push it all the way to 2027. But now, Chinese leaker Fixed Focus Digital is on Weibo, saying those delay reports are flat out false. And this isn't someone who just showed up out of nowhere. They've been consistently calling a September reveal for months. Their backup scenario? If there's any delay at all, it's just a month, not a year. 1 month. That actually lines up with what Bloomberg's Mark has been reporting, that the foldable gets unveiled with the iPhone 18 Pro in September, but might go on sale a little later than the standard slab. Now here's the thing. Production issues are still real. There are legit reports of engineering challenges and durability problems with the hinge mechanism, so Apple may have limited units at launch, potentially pushing the price to around $2,000. But limited supply has never really stopped Apple. Even the iPhone 17 Pro Max had Reddit threads full of people complaining about week-long waits, and Apple shrugged it off. The bigger mystery right now is who actually got delayed. Largan Precision's chairman, that's a major Apple supplier, confirmed that a key US customer postponed a product launch. Some people are reading that as the iPhone Ultra. Others are pointing at the vanilla iPhone 18, which has been rumored for a spring launch anyway, alongside the iPhone Era 2 and iPhone 18e. Here's what makes a full 2027 delay even harder to believe. Signs of iPhone Ultra features are already showing up inside iOS 27 betas. Apple doesn't seed features for a product that's over a year away. And honestly, there's precedent here for a staggered launch. Remember 2017? The iPhone 8 launched in September, but the iPhone X didn't ship until November. A 2-month gap on something this ambitious? Totally reasonable. So here's the bottom line. The iPhone Ultra is almost certainly still happening this fall. Maybe September revealed, maybe October or November on shelves. But 2027? That's looking like a stretch. The supply situation is the real story to watch, because when this thing drops at $2,000 with limited inventory, the waiting list is going to be insane. If you want to stay on top of every update as it drops, hit subscribe. We cover every leak, every rumor, and every confirmed detail as it comes in. And drop a comment below. Are you actually buying the foldable iPhone day one? Let me know. I'll see you in the next one.